Hey everyone, it's Alatisha with another Bitmoji craft. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a vinyl Bitmoji decal with a Cricut machine. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is use the Bitmoji extension to retrieve a Bitmoji sticker. This round I just want my face, so I'm going to type in smile. I like this one, so let's save that. Right click and save. If you don't have the Bitmoji extension, you can also use the app to email the sticker to yourself and then save it to your desktop from there. Now that I have saved the sticker that I want, I'm going to go into my design space. Okay, I'm in my design space, and from here I'm going to click upload, upload image, browse, and select the Bitmoji that I want. For the image type, I'm going to select simple and continue. As you see, the background has already been removed as indicated as a checkerboard background. I'm going to use my wand to delete the colors on the Bitmoji that I don't want on my decal. So if you mess up, you can press the undo button. And for areas that's hard to see, we could zoom in. Okay, I'm going to zoom out. Looks like I missed a few spots. And now I'm going to preview to see what that looks like. It looks like I need to deselect in the eyes and the mouth to get more details. So I'm going to click on the white area of the eyes and inside the mouth. Let me get her teeth as well. That's much better. Let me use my eraser to get rid of some of this. Get a little closer. That's great. Let's click continue. And we want to save this as a cut image. Save. And now we're going to select this image and insert it. And from here, you can readjust. I'm going to make it 5 inches wide. And from here, I'm going to make it. I'm not going to mirror this image because I want it to go on the outside surface of my car. So from here, I'm going to continue and let the Cricut do its work. I'm going to use the lightweight matte with permanent vinyl. Click continue, vinyl. Make sure that your Cricut is loaded with your fine point blade. Load your Cricut and allow it to cut out your decal. Here are my results. My Bitmoji is ready for a road trip. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to Bitmoji Craze for Educators for more videos to come. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you the next time with more videos. Have a good day.